The Mk5 powered dolly is the most advanced innovation in dual power in the world today.
Well, the rationale behind the development of the power dolly was to fill a market gap where you could increase either gradability or productivity on longer hauls, where there's a lower gradient, using existing assets in the mine site.
Okay, the key points of difference is that it is using the latest in technology and electronics. It's got probably the most advanced engine available and transmission combination. To deliver that, it runs a Tier 4 final engine.
So a C-triple would traditionally operate at about 175, 180 tonne payload on a up to 5% on-haul grade. The power dolly in that same environment would double that payload. Same driver, same cycle time, but double your productive output.
Now, circuit times are quicker by 7 or 8 minutes. It makes it easy on the truck. As you can see, that the fuel consumption has been different between a normal triple and this one here now with the triple up the front. You've got the power dolly on around the hills. You don't go to the bottom of the box and you sit back and enjoy the drive.
One of the challenges for the mining industry today is available labour, both in skill, particularly in operating the current haulage truck fleet that is there. So while we may reduce the number of drivers that are there, we will future-proof the industry against the lack of labour availability.
I think with the competitiveness of other companies pricing for this sort of work, the Mk5 is a step to the future to make it that the company can cart the coal for a better price.
We usually run three trailers, but with that one we basically can drop a truck. It definitely improves our time management.
With the Mk5, the surprising thing for most people is the simplicity of the driver training process. The control mechanisms are very automated, and the driver simply has a screen in the cabin that has limited number of controls. He simply presses his lift-off control to lift off, and then for the rest of the journey the power dolly does what it needs to do to mimic what the truck is doing.
Smith Global is very proud to be associated with Toll. We have been for a long time, but in a technology partnership to develop the Mk5 dolly. The advancement in this Mk5 dolly will provide for decades to come as we grow and grow the potential of it, the benchmark for productivity in the haulage industry on a mine site.